Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Binance wallet to NFT marketplaces. First, ensure you have a Binance account and a Web3 wallet such as MetaMask. Fund your Web3 wallet with the necessary cryptocurrencies, like BNB, to cover transaction fees and purchases. Then, navigate to your chosen NFT marketplace to begin the connection process. Next, on the NFT marketplace, locate and click the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to select your Web3 wallet. Choose your wallet, for example, MetaMask. Finally, a notification will appear in your wallet, asking you to approve the connection. Confirm this to link your wallet securely. Sometimes, your assets might be on a different blockchain than the NFT marketplace. In such cases, you will need to bridge your funds. Use a reputable bridging service to move your cryptocurrencies, like BNB, from the Binance Smart Chain to the marketplace's supported network. Always double-check the transaction details and gas fees before confirming the transfer. Once your wallet is connected and funded, you are ready to buy an NFT. Explore the marketplace and find an NFT you like. Click Buy Now or place your bid according to the listing. Your Web3 wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction, displaying the total cost including any gas fees. Review everything and confirm to complete your NFT purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.